Hello, we are starting at 6 o'clock. I'm just using 1 minute. Hello, we are starting at 6 o'clock. So this is just a presentation about the previous classes that we've done to showcase what other kids have done. So, but at 6 o'clock, we're going to start. Just enjoy the show for the next 15 minutes. Thank you.
We're going to start in 2 minutes. Welcome to Coding for Kids by Kids. And today we're going to be doing pair programming. So we need. Let's also say how we can get onto. How we can sign up in code.org. So first you can press sign in. Then you can press create an account.
If you don't have an account yet.
Yeah, if you don't have an account, and you need your parents' permission. But because I do have an account, I'm going to use mine. And I sign in. Then these will be some activities you can do. We know some of you have done these activities. So that's how you log on.
Okay, all right. For this afternoon, we're going to do pair programming. So, and we would ask you to raise your hands. Okay, there's some people raising their hand already, so let's go to. So I can't see anyone raising their hands yet. So if you want to start, so can you raise your hand? So I need 5 people. The first set, Grace, Kamsi, Faith. Okay, I think that will be it also. Thank you. And Chichi, Fola, Olua, and Chichi. So all the 5 will start the game. So from there. So one thing I want also a quick house cleaning. So no typing to host unless if you want to ask questions. And as you can see, you cannot even send any chat to yourself or to any member of the team. So which is fine because it's also children stuff. And I would prefer that you turn off your camera, please. So if you can do that, please, you can turn off your camera. So, okay. All right, thank you so much. So when you log in, try to put off your camera so that, yes, because this is online actually, so which is good. Thank you so much. So it's okay. I've seen your beautiful faces. That's good. So please do turn off your camera. Then also, please, if you need to ask anything, so just raise your hand and the admin would be able to respond to you or chat to you. If you have any question, you can send your question to the host and you will get notification from there. So we're going to start the pair programming. So I've got the first group. So, and the first group is going to be Faith. So 1 minute, we're going to use a quick tool. So we're going to let's use this one. So actually, start, no, who's going to be the navigator? Who's going to be the host? So quickly. So we've got Faith. Okay, all right. So I think we can take more people. Don't raise your hand again, so that will be fine. So you're going to come the next set, if that's fine. So I think this one should be fine for now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we can start spin. So this is going to be who the driver is. Or yeah, the driver, Gabby. The rest are going to be navigators. So Gabby, do you want to drive? Do you want to share your screen? So congratulations, you're going to be the driver. So, and the others are going to help you to navigate. Can the host please unmute Gabby?
I'm muted.
Okay, cool.
You're muted.
So, I'm going to give you options to select any.
Drawing with loops 10, please.
Okay, cool.
So what did I do right now?
So first, you put repeat 4 times,
Okay.
please. And then,
Sure, you're going to do repeat 4 times.
yeah.
So, Gabby, you are the driver. You got other guys helping you as the navigator, so you need to use them. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. You need to work together. That's purpose of peer programming. Okay?
Okay.
So you need to come up with solutions together. So as you can see, you got 1 minute. Let's see who we have in your team. You got Kemi, Faith, Gabby, Chichi, and Fola. Who wants to go first? Chichi, Gabby.
Fuller, maybe?
Okay, Fola, you want to try first?
Fuller, is that you?
I can't mute. Okay, I'm here.
Yeah, that's you, Fuller, I think. Yeah?
So what are we gonna do?
So,
I think we should move forward.
I think we should.
Wait, did you notice there's only 2 move forwards available and 1 get next?
Okay, I
and
think
2 repeat.
we should put another repeat times in the repeat block.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then 3 times. 3 times. Then we should put move forward inside of it.
Yeah. And then turn right. Underneath. Underneath.
But it's
No, not
gonna
underneath,
get
I
the
mean
nectar.
outside.
Underneath.
It's not gonna get the nectar.
Yeah, and get nectar.
Wait, should I put it here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And then get nectar too. Yeah.
So it repeats itself. Yeah.
All right.
And then
Can we?
run.
Thank you, Gabby. Is that Gabby talking or who's talking?
Follow.
Fola. Okay, thank you, Fola. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can another person in your team also speak? You go.
Am I choosing? This is Gabby.
Okay, yeah, you can choose another one, or let's just spin the wheel again. Yeah. Yeah, Kevin. Can you mute your mic, please? Unmute, yes, thank you. Can you unmute?
Is Kemi with me now?
Yeah.
I am here, sir.
Okay. What do we do next? Do you know?
I passed this level before, so right now we need to figure out a way to get a loop, but to also collect all of that nectar.
Good. That's
Yeah.
brilliant. Well done. That's good.
Instead of making the trip round and round and round again.
That's good. So, are we okay now, or do we need to run it? Is every?
Run it,
sir. I still think.
Okay,
Oh.
you need to collect the right amount of nectar.
Wait. It went around once, right? So maybe if we repeat that 12 times, it will work.
Okay, sit down
Wow.
again.
I think that we need to nest that loop inside that remaining loop, and then put 12 on it because it went around once.
This
So if it
loop.
goes around 12 times, it may work.
Well,
Wait. It's supposed to be on the outside.
Outside.
That 12 is supposed to be on the
You
outside.
mean it's supposed to be like this?
12 times. But that means it'll go around 12 times.
Okay. Does anyone want to help in your team?
Wait a
You only
second.
have 5 minutes. You need to work together to solve this. Come on.
Wait a second. What if we put the get nectar into 12 section? So that instead of going around 12 times, collect nectar 12 times, then move forward. Collect nectar 12 times, move forward, and so on. What about that?
Okay.
Uh,
So hold on. Do you understand what you are trying to do? Yeah. The challenge is for you to get all the nectar using only the block available, right?
Yeah.
So, and you need to collect the right amount of nectar. So that's what. So okay. So does anyone know, or Joshua, do you want to give an hint?
On the backlog,
Well,
we are not sure
I
if
don't think you need
We are
to
not-
repeat 4 times here.
yeah,
And I
the
think
claim
you
is
just
not validated.
change this to like 4 times. Then you can turn around here.
No, just give an hint. I don't say you should do
Let's
it.
go on
Okay.
the Azadi Hub.
and then turn right. Yeah, that's good. I
Okay.
think we should run it.
Okay. Let's try that. No. Nice try.
Excuse me, sir, but what if you put the get nectar underneath the 12 loop and then
Okay.
put that repeat 3 times loop back? Because then
All
we'll
right.
get nectar 12 times and then we can move forward.
Exactly. I didn't think of that.
Okay.
But the get nectar's on 0, right?
Yeah, but we still need that repeat 4 times block.
Okay.
But
All
we
right.
can't.
So let's hear from David also. Let's just an hint. Okay. And you guys need David, come on. Let's see. What do you think is missing here?
Right now, the repeat 12 times is supposed to be somewhere in between this, and you need to repeat 4 times so it can go here 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. All right. So you're going to need how many loops for this one?
3 loops?
3 loops. Okay. So and you need 12 one, right? And 3 1 and 4 1, right? Is that what we are saying?
Yes.
Okay. So how do we bring everything together?
First we start with 12, then
We
I
don't
think
do
it's
everything 12 times.
I don't think so. Let's run that.
It's working.
Okay, I just stopped it, right? Why is it working?
Actually, no, because he missed one. He missed one.
No, it's going to get this. Yeah.
All right, cool. That well done, guys. That's really good. Well done, guys. That's fine. But there's different way to do this. Also, you could put the 12 outside and you go 1, 2, and do the 12 times. That's another way to do it, actually. So I think what you also said was okay, because if you put the 12 outside, it might still work anyway. So, but well done, guys. You actually cracked it at the end. That's good, brilliant. So yeah. So now. So let's get another set now. So, all right, well done, guys. So this is time. I'm going to lower everyone's hands. Now, you can raise your hand after I've done that. Now, it's time to go. So I need more 5 people.
Do I still choose one?
That's it. Okay. All right. It's going to be Ayomide, Fola, Livingston, David O. Okay, 1 minute. I need to. So I'm going to spin now. Let's do it. I think I've got Fola before. I think he's okay. All right, cool. So I'm Fola. Okay, it's done anyway. So David O. So next time, who goes? Please, can you rename your name? It will be good, okay, to know who you are. If that's okay, please.
Okay, so that's enough. We're going to do all of these peoples.
All right, cool.
Okay.
So
Tiolu, can you please? Can you unmute yourself?
so yeah, can everyone on that list meet themselves actually? So we're going to have a team of Ayomide, Malcolm, the Ugos, David O, Livingston. You guys need to come together to solve this one. So the driver, Malcolm, yeah, Malcolm, you're going to select which one you want your team to solve. So which one do you want your team to, you need to select one of the exercises, yeah, okay? Malcolm? Can we unmute them, please?
Excuse me, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
I'm not able to put on my video.
You don't need.
You don't need to.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So can you guys select one topic and one.
It's not working.
Somebody's echoing.
Excuse me.
Sorry, it's just I'm trying to join the meeting.
Nick.
Okay. All right. Malcolm, are you there?
I don't have the class phone.
Mom.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What number do you want? What number in this do you want your team to do? Then we bring it up.
1, please.
Number 1. Okay. In number 1, what is the progress? What practice do you want?
Your name is Amida.
10.
10. Okay. All right. So team, you've got this now. You got number 10.
Oh, not this one.
To some of you, this one might look a little bit familiar from before.
Okay. You turn left first. Move forward twice.
Or can we do repeat?
Repeat 4 times.
Yeah.
Turn left. Destroy block. Move forward. Destroy block. And right.
Please speak up, I can't hear you.
Then we do fit short part and put that under a different repeat 2 times. Or he could.
No.
Wait, I just remembered that he can walk on water. I mean, he can walk on lava. So he could go forward and just make though.
Repeat 4
No.
times. Do turn left. Destroy. Okay. Turn left. Can I take my turn?
When you're saying something, can you please say your name so we know who's saying it?
David. Oh.
Okay.
Wait, you don't have to fit short path if you're going to do move. No, because you have to
We
play
just see
rails.
what happens.
I am easy. You have to place rails after destroy block. No. But if you're going
We
to
should
do
see
that,
what happens before we.
Okay, let's try to debug it, okay? And see what happens.
Should I run? Okay.
Yeah, so I think that.
So it. I tell them what it is. Okay. My name.
This agent should go. Looks like it should go here. Then it should turn to get the rest.
yeah, you have to do turn, then move forward 3 times.
Turn which way?
Turn right. Then move forward twice. Then fix long path. We don't need the move forward and repeat 2 times block after the fix short path.
Okay, guys, 1 minute, okay? You need to study the code. You have 2 functions there, right? That's your objective. You've got 2 functions. What are these 2 functions? Can someone let me know?
Remove the repeat 2 times, move
No,
forward,
that
then
is not a function. You got 2 functions. You got 2 functions.
yeah, we're going to need to use them. So I say because there's no use of putting fixed short path if you're going to do move forward and destroy block.
The question is, do you know what these functions are doing?
Yes.
What is the difference?
They're going to destroy block, then move forward and place the rails on the block that's going to.
And all of that is inside fix short path.
I mean, you have to just take away repeat 2 and move forward in the destroy block.
Excuse me.
Only
But
I immediately can't be talking.
Exactly. Okay, it's a teamwork. Okay, let's hear other.
Malcolm and
Mark.
Yeah.
I'll see that you wrote repeat 2 times, move forward twice. So maybe you could put that in one repeat block.
What?
You could put that in one repeat block.
Put what?
Repeat 2 times. When you move. So since you do them twice, you could put them all in one repeat box.
to make it more quicker.
Are you sure that will work if you put everything?
No, that doesn't work.
Yeah.
That won't work at all.
Oh,
All right. Okay. So
Only-
guys, you need to work together to solve this. Okay.
We need to take away the second repeat times 2 block.
I think you're supposed to do like this 3 times. Or maybe do this.
Okay. Always run your code. It's very, very important to use to see what it's doing. Okay.
But yeah.
All right. 1 minute. Yeah. Let's do one step. Okay. Remove that one. Remove that one also. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what that one does, and then you can continue from there. That's how to do this thing. Okay. Good. Can you see what is happening? So you need to turn at that point. So that's what you need now.
That's why you have to completely scrap off the repeat 2 times, move forward and destroy block.
Okay. All right. Put that in the bin. Put that in the bin.
Turn right block in.
Okay. All right. So let's run this one now. Okay. That's why I asked you. Do you know what the function is doing? Okay.
Then get a repeat 2 block. Then put fix long path. Then Steve does the rest.
Okay. So, looks like we need to reset and we need to go forward from here.
Move forward twice, then fix long path. And then you're done.
Okay. Ayemi, can you let other people in your team talk? Is that okay?
okay.
Thank you. Yeah. So So who wants to also help in this one? So we got to this point, right? So we need help to solve this. Can you see what is happening here? So when we get to this one, what do you need to do? So can you see this is where we are right now? So we need to go up and be able to do that. Who wants to help again?
A.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so who?
So I know how to do this because I just did it, but you have to move forward 2 times.
Ayomide, can you let other team member talk, okay?
Like David
Yeah, I'm going to meet you.
I
Okay?
am David O.
Okay, yeah, let's hear from you, David O.
This is what you have to do. You have to repeat 4 times to turn left, destroy block, move forward, destroy block, turn right.
Wait, can you repeat that, please?
Repeat 4 times. Do turn.
Yes.
Repeat 4 times. Do turn left, destroy block, move.
Wait, what do I put into repeat 4 times?
Turn left.
Yes.
Destroy block. Move forward. Destroy block. Turn right.
Okay.
Is that it?
Yes. Move forward.
Move forward.
In here or outside?
Outside. Move forward.
Okay.
Destroy block.
Okay. Can we run this one, see? And then we ask another someone to help also.
Okay.
Destroy block.
Okay. So, all right, from there, can we ask another person to help also? Thank you, David. Well done. That's good. So let's see your team also. No, it said destroy block. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Any other from your team? We need to get this working, okay, guys? Another thing, you've not actually used the function. Okay, you guys need to use the function. Come on, you need to get together, okay?
Okay.
Now, let's think about this. What do we need to do? So you need to,
again.
okay? But I think we've done this before, haven't we?
Yeah, we have.
Yeah.
Well, some people may not know.
Wait. Start again.
Okay, all right. So, nice try, team. So we're going to move to, yeah, that's good. That's brilliant. So I think we're going to move to other team and see what they do. Maybe they were able to help us solve it. Let's see what they do. So we got team 1, team 2, team 3. People raising their hands right now. Okay. Thank you, everyone. So I think you've been able to clear it to that point. Let's see, the other team will be able to do the rest from there. Thank you, everyone. So now I would call on the other guys that have raised their.
Please tell me you know how to do this.
So now, of course.
Tell me you know how to do this.
Okay. So I'm going to call Biola. So please, next time, can you rename your name? So I'm going to rename you to Toluwane. So Ayamide, I'm not going to call you. You've just had your turn. So lower your hand. Show for me. That's good. Grace, Grace had a turn. So we're going to come back to that. Ayomikon, okay. We're going to call to Gabby. You've got a turn. Tiolu, I think we had Tiolu last time, didn't we? So Fola, you had your turn. Miracle and Grace. Okay, that's okay. Shibomi, that's fine. So, okay, let's look at this list now. So we're going to have a turn. I will write it quickly. So we're going to go happy.
These are for you, right?
Kamsi, have we done? Were you in the last group and also Isaac?
He knows your name.
Okay, all right, no problem. So.
No, I muted myself. Let's see which one is answer. They might like. What? They muted me. Eviction.
Okay, so quickly, the team, you got more people in the team, so you only have 5 minutes, okay, to resolve your challenges. So think, okay, all right. So I'm gonna mute you. So if you're not in a quiet place and I can hear background voices from you, I'm going to remove you, okay?
Oh, great.
Before you unmute yourself, make sure that you are in a quiet place, okay? Make sure you are in a quiet place.
Okay.
And also, don't put your video on, please. Can you remove all your videos, please? Thank you. Thank you, guys. Okay. So before you unmute yourself, make sure that you're in a quiet place, okay? So now we got this next team, okay? Let's see who is going to be the driver that will select what they need to do. And let's start.
So I make a. Which one would you like to do?
So I get to choose it.
What did you say?
So I get to.
Anyone here?
Okay, so anyone which is number 4 or 5.
No, you can do any one of them.
Okay. Then I
For
choose
this.
Can you choose 1 to 5?
4.
4, okay.
4, yeah. Which one?
Number 1.
Five.
I want to do the whole of 4.
4. Wait, the whole of it, like all of this.
Yeah.
No, only one.
Okay. Yeah, then only 1.
So which one?
1.
One is just a video.
Oh. So the 5, the one that, the first one that would. Yeah. Wait, no, don't. Wait, all of them.
All right, so we got number 5 now. So you need to work together to solve this challenge. It's going to be difficult, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I think I'm gonna.
It might not be difficult.
I unmute myself.
Well, the angles in this might be a little bit difficult. Okay.
So now we've got these
Oh, wow.
people, okay?
See?
So if you're not part of the team, don't unmute yourself, okay? So I've got Happy Obo, I've got Kamsi, Isaac, Toluwani, Shofumi, Ayomikon, Mercy and Grace, and Shibumi. So, and you need to work together. I need to hear everyone talking to resolve this issue, okay?
Okay.
Now, there you go. I need someone to, what exactly are you trying to solve?
Wait, so you need to draw a square.
Okay.
Exactly.
Could you
I'll give you a
Move
clue.
forward and turn right 90 degrees 40 times. Sorry, 4 times.
no, repeat 4 times. Move
All
forward
right,
by
hold on, guys.
Yeah, don't-
What is
Put
the
them in
challenge? What are you
repeat 4
trying to
times
solve?
and then run. It's easy.
Yeah, it's easy.
Oh.
To move 100 pixels forward.
Okay, I'll give you a hint. All you need is a repeat 4 times.
Block. And then
Move 1
forward and turn right inside of the repeat block. And then
Is that it?
But I'm not.
Someone has an echo.
That's right, because I
Is that it? It's only.
Yeah.
Guys, if you want to know where the echo is, if you're with somebody who's in the same meeting, can you please go away? Go away.
Sure.
I'm not with anyone.
I'm on
my own.
I want to get picked.
I'm on my own in a room.
Okay.
Can you unmute yourself if you want to talk? Maybe that's better. Okay.
One at a time.
One at a time. Yeah.
I'm in my own room by myself.
Okay.
I'm in
Cool.
a room by myself, so there's no one disturbing me.
Okay. All right. What do we do?
I think I know what we should do.
What?
Just give us one step and then let the other team agree yes or no. Maybe that's gonna be okay. The first step, what do you need to do?
So let's turn left to turn left 120 degrees.
Turn them by how much degrees?
100 pixels.
I
Do the
think
same, but do that 2 times.
No.
So,
One step only
just
from
kidding.
you. One step
I
only
think
from
we
you.
need to
Okay.
repeat 3 times.
All
Do
right,
that.
guys. All right, guys.
Make it
One
do that
after the other.
3 times.
Can you stop, please?
Stop.
Okay.
Stop talking.
One step from each person. Okay, one step from each person. Okay. So the next person that want to talk should now talk now. Okay.
Okay.
I think we should repeat 3 times.
Repeat 3 times. Okay. First one. Let's first ask this question. In your team, does everyone agree on this? Is this right?
No.
No.
Okay, let's put this at this side first.
No,
Okay,
we're supposed to turn right at.
one after the other. Okay,
Actually, you're
hold
supposed
on.
to turn right.
Hold on. I need to call you for you to talk. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Well,
Thank
you
you.
need to turn right.
I'm not happy.
Now, the next person in the team, okay, that I want to help, okay, is gonna be in this order. Okay. Who is happy, Obo? Do you want to help for the next? Happy, Obo?
Yeah, that's me.
If it's not
Okay,
your
all right.
time, can you please mute yourself?
Okay, happy, Obo?
Okay. Loud and clear.
Okay.
Stop it.
Happy, Obo?
Yeah.
Do you want to help us in the next?
Okay. So I think that you should repeat 3 times.
Repeat 3 times, okay? So repeat 3 times. Does everyone agree to this in your team?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good. So what do you put inside?
Move forward by 100 pixels.
Move forward by 100%. So let's dump this inside. So okay. All right, good. Let's see what that does, okay? Wow, it's flown away.
Oh,
So we need something.
Put jump
Isn't it?
instead of forward.
Jump and
Okay.
fly
All
away.
right. So who is the next person talking? So Kamsi, please. Kamsi, the next person. Kamsi, then the next person. Isaac. Okay. Kamsi.
Okay, I'm on. I think. Can you hear me?
Please, one at a time.
Okay. I'm gonna meet everyone again. Okay. So I will meet you, Kamsi.
What's up?
Okay. Now I need to bring Kamsi up. Okay. Kamsi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay. So what we need to do is repeat 3 times. Move forward.
Oh no, one step at a time. So
Yeah,
I only
just-
need one step from
yeah,
you. So
just
that's
one step from
one
you.
step. The next step.
Well, I think instead of jump forward, it's move forward.
Okay, move forward.
Okay, so we're going to be doing Isaac. So we're going to unmute Isaac.
Okay. Wait, why did you ask me to unmute myself? Am I supposed to be unmuted?
Yep.
Oh.
Isaac, it's your turn.
Okay. So we move forward 100 pixels.
We've already done that. Are you sure you want to do it again?
No. I'm gonna do turn left by 120 degrees.
Okay.
Then
That's it. You only got one step, okay? So because you are working together, this is collaboration, okay? So we need to ask your team if anyone think that's not right, okay? Everyone agrees to that.
Please type in the chat.
Yeah, you can type to the If everyone agrees, just type yes. If to the host. Okay, cool.
So, Kamsi says no. Why?
should I talk to him?
Okay, wait. Kamsi, we're going to We're going to unmute you just to say why you think it's not true. So, Kamsi, can you tell us why you think it's wrong?
No, like it's right, but we don't need to do any more than this. So if you run it, then it will be right.
Okay, all right. Let's move to the next person. All right, brilliant. Okay, all right, that's good. So I would ask another person to actually say what this line should do. I'm going to show the code. So if anyone wants to actually help us with it, let me know. Just type me. So into the code, into the chat.
Okay.
It has to be from your team anyway. Okay, let's hear from Toluani. Okay.
No, she's not in the team.
She's not in the team. Okay.
Is she?
Is she in the
Oh,
team?
she is.
Okay, all right. Toluani, do you want to explain the code? 1 minute, I think. Skip, we'll go back. Sorry, 1 minute, sir. So what, that was number 5, was it?
Yeah, it was number. I think it was number. Yeah, it was number 5.
Okay, good. Let's go there. Okay, all right, Toluani, so you got the code. Do you want to explain what this means?
We need to unmute her.
1 minute, let's unmute you.
Yep, Toluwani, you can speak now.
So it basically means so repeat 4 times, and in the repeat 4 times it has move forward 100 pixels and turn right 90 degrees. So you have to move forward 4 times and turn right 90 degrees 4 times.
All right, thank you so much, Luani. That was brilliant explanation. All right, that's good. So that explains it. Yeah, you basically repeat 4 times, then move forward 100% and turn right. That is good. I want to also give a chance to other member of the team that want to say 1 or 2 things. So I'm going to call Sheung for me. Is Sheung okay? 1 minute, I can unmute you. I'm going to unmute a lot of people. Sheung for me. Okay.
It's almost the end of the lesson.
Yes, it is. So I'm unmute you, Sheung. What would you have done differently?
So what I would have done is like I would run it, but then I would move forward by like 200 or something.
Okay, like that.
Yes.
So if you do that, it's going to be passed, isn't it? Because if you run that, so see, it's gone. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So you need to know how to, yeah. So that's why it's 100, okay?
Okay,
So you
100
just make it
pixels.
yeah. So you need that 100, yeah. That's good. Then what would you do next?
So I would turn right.
Then you turn right. So okay. All right,
then,
cool.
And move forward but then turn left as well.
Okay, so if we try this now, let's see what this does.
Oh.
Basically the same as last time.
Yeah, it's basically the same thing. It's moving forward 100, moving forward 100. So
that's why you have the repeat block. It's there for a reason.
You don't need to move forward twice. So if you move forward twice, that's like moving forward 200. So
that means you need to do it like 8 times.
So what you need to do is basically, yeah. So you need to move. What you're trying to do is good because what you're trying to do is this basically, and then move, which also is what you're trying to do is that, which is cool, be fine. So then you turn right also.
Okay.
You move forward. You turn right.
Yeah.
So if you bring it out and you put it outside like this. So let's run that one, okay? And you see that? That's what you are trying to do, okay? It still works, isn't it? But it's going to use a lot of codes, actually, right? So this is what you are trying to do. Okay, I'm going to Grace, Miracle and Grace. What would you have done differently? There's different way to write code. So we got a few minutes to finish this lesson.
Okay.
Miracle
First of all, I would have repeat 4 times.
Okay.
Then I would move forward by 100 pixies.
Okay.
And I would turn right by 90 degrees.
You move forward, you turn right. And is it like that?
Yeah.
You move forward.
No,
Then
repeat 4 times.
you repeat 4 times. Okay. Why would you repeat 4 times?
Because a square has 4 sides.
All right, that's brilliant. That's what I want to hear. Well done. That's good. So, all right, brilliant. You've done very well. So, let me ask from who is the next person? Isaac. I'm not Isaac. I don't think I've heard from you. If you want to, I'm going to unmute you and Shibomi. So, quickly. Apologies if we didn't call you this evening. So, I'll try to put something together that will make everyone to be able to talk to so that we can join it together next week. So let me unmute you, Shibomi. Okay, Shibomi, what we have done differently. And Isaac, what we have done differently. I've also unmute you. And
Isaac already had his turn.
okay,
Yeah,
that's good. That's good. Okay, thank you. That's good. Then how about Ayomikun?
Yeah, Ayomikun did his turn at first.
Okay, and Kamsi. Okay, so I think that would be Shibomi. I'm not sure that we had from Apia, but yeah, I think we did also. All right.
Okay.
For me, I think we've not had from you. Shibomi, what do you think we should do? Shibomi, do you know what we have done differently? Or do you want to explain the code? What do you think? All right, so we can hear from Shibomi. So, okay, so I'm also quickly, I just low on. I think that would be okay. I think that's it. So, any question quickly? If you have questions, just raise your hand. So quickly before we leave. So, and that would be it. So it's 2 minutes past. So yeah, I think that's the end of the class. Thank you, everyone. So, but if you want to stay a few minutes to just ask question, that's fine. Well, so I think that's the end. So I'm going to answer questions for those ones that are raising their hands. Well, if you want to log out now, that's it. Thank you so much. So we meet on Thursday. It's going to be a new class. So I will put if you log in to code, and I'll put another lesson in your class so that you can be able to go through that. So you'll be able to, if you read the course, then there'll be new lesson, which is data. So we're going to go into data, and you will be able to see something here. So we still do look again also. So, okay, all right, thank you, everyone. So I'm going to answer a question for those ones so that are raising their hands. So I will unmute you quickly.
Excuse me, sir, but what about the partner coding?
Sorry, what did you say?
What about the partner coding?
Unmuted.
There's
Uncle, I really need help. Number 7 on arts. Okay.
7 on
Sir, I
So
need
let's
help
continue.
for 5, number 8.
Thing with loops.
all right. One after the other, guys. One after the other. I'm going to
Functions in Minecraft.
you, okay? And David is there, so David, you can.
Okay. So Isaac. You're unmuted.
Isaac, what's your question?
I can hear Isaac.
Okay, I think, can you lower the hand? I think that's it. Okay, who is the next person raising the hand? Fola.
We've unmuted you.
Fola?
Okay, thank you. Is this the exact same thing we're doing next class?
No, it's not going to be the same thing. It's going to be different. So if you go here, there will be another game that will be dropped for you. So you can, so you'll be data. It's going to be a different game. So you're going to be data. So I will send that to you. So then you can be able to play the game.
Okay, thank you.
No worries. Okay, any other questions? I think Tulani was asking a question before, wasn't it?
Sheila.
So
Okay.
On Thursday, you said that so when you finished some of the lessons, that you'll get some rewards before Sunday, and so that's what you said to me on Thursday.
Yeah, that's right. So you get your reward. Have you finished everything? Have you?
No.
No. Try to finish everything. Yeah, you get some rewards. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Cool. So if you finish everything, yeah, definitely you get a reward. Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
So, and also, if you also want your video or you want to showcase your work, like we've done early in the beginning of the course, so send your video to me. Let your mom do your video of the work that you've done so we can post it. Okay?
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir. That
Okay.
reward you were talking about, if we finish it, is it that we should video it and then send it to you?
You don't need to do anything. I know how many people have finished it, so I get a report of these things, all right? But if you do a screenshot of it, you give it to your mom, that's just to be fine, and your mom can pass it to me. That's also is okay. Okay. So if you're, I would say if you're able to do 1 to 5, finish 1 to 5. You don't need to worry about the next one. So let me know. So that will be reward for you. Okay. All right. So any other question? Okay. So let me send the chat. Isaac has got a question. So if you want to, I can't see anyone raising their hands. I'm going to allow you to. Okay, I'm going to ask you to unmute yourself if you want to talk, actually. So you can do that now, one at a time.
I have a question.
Okay.
I have a question.
One at a time, guys. One at a time.
Okay, one
Okay.
at a time.
My
Yeah,
question
one at a time.
is Amide.
Okay,
one
Ayomide.
I've finished one.
Excuse me.
Going to number 1.
Okay. All right, Ayomide.
Yeah.
What's your question?
I just finished functionings in Minecraft.
Well done. That's good.
One
That's good. Well done.
full thing.
That's good. That's good. Well done. So when you finish the 5, you get the reward. Is that okay?
Okay. I
Good.
have a question, Uncle.
Okay. Hold on. Let me look. 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm going to unmute everyone now. I can see people raising their hands now. I couldn't see before. I would. Okay. I'm going to ask Grace. I'm going to unmute Grace.
So,
Okay, Grace, there you go.
if I could say 2 things quickly.
Okay.
and one is this thing that I've been chatting for a long time today. It's about when earlier today you said that I had a turn, but then I had not because you did say.
I can't hear you properly, Grace. It's not that clear, your audio.
Is this better?
Okay, it's better now, thank you.
So I've been chatting this for quite a while now, but I was meant to be in the first group as you said my name and we're going to chat it, but you didn't put it but I wasn't included on the wheel. And then so when
I'm so sorry, Grace. So sorry. Remind me next week, you'll be the first one on the wheel.
Okay, and also I had a question. Is that when you're calling the people drivers, but they weren't actually controlling the screen, I was confused and I didn't know what you meant because I thought the driver is controlling the screen and the navigator tells them what they should do.
Exactly. I think you are right. We didn't do it properly this week. I raised my hand up. My bad. That is me, actually. So next week we'll do it that way. So I will ask everyone to actually make sure that screen is properly done, because last week, some people are struggling to be able to share their screen. So everyone should be able to test that they can share their screen. So next week, trust me, we're going to do that. Is that okay, Grace?
Bye.
All right, thank you. Thank you for bringing that to my attention. That's lovely. Thank you so much. Hold on. So Tiolu, quickly, any question? So Tiolu, 1 minute, I will meet you. We got only a few minutes, okay? Tolu, any question quickly? The class has ended, guys. If you want to go, unless if you have questions, okay?
My question is that drawing with loops on number 7 is really, really tricky.
I agree with that, yeah.
Quickly, maybe we can just try to do it.
Okay, all right. So you can hold on, okay? David is going to help you with that. So let me answer other guys' questions. So you can hold on there. Then you and David can look at that together. Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Okay. I'm going to unmute you. You can unmute yourself. You can mute yourself, please. So I'm going to go to Eli.
Teaching you like plus and minus.
Eli, you're on.
Go on, ask the question.
How do you get on course 4, course F?
Okay, cool. David, do you want to go through that with him? Okay, one thing that you need to do is quickly, if I sign out from David's profile, so quickly, you just go to code.org, okay? When you get there, you need to click on sign in, right? So when you click on sign in, it's going to take you to this particular page. So if you already have a sign in username and password, you put that in. If you don't, you need to click on create account. So when you're going to create account, you need your parents' emails address here. So you need to get that from them and put password. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to, you can then go back and click on sign in again if you want to do that. So and then you put your password and email address. I'm going to put David's one here right now. So with a password, and you can sign in. Once you sign in, you're on code, right? The next thing that you need to do is to join the course. So what you need to do is to go to studio.code.org/join. So you're going to say join, okay?
Okay.
Once you do that, it's going to ask you for section code. So you need to put this number. You need to write this down, okay? XNSHXQ. That is X for, okay?
So for a few minutes, we're going to put that on for you to write down somewhere so you remember.
Okay, yeah. That's for X for X-ray, N for November, S for sugar, H for hotel, X for X-ray, Q for...
So we have to do our postcode.
No postcode. You need to just write this, basically. This is what you need to write.
Okay.
Yeah, this one. So you don't need to write anything. You need to write this code. It's not postcode. It looks like a postcode anyway, but it's not postcode. This is the section code. This letter code. You need to type it as it is right now. So you need to write that down, okay? Have you done that?
Okay.
It's XN X SH XQ.
Yes. Skill.
Okay, if you've
Hey,
done
ready.
that, okay, you need to click on join. That allows
Okay.
you to join the classroom. So if you join that, then you take you to the course F. So
But
once
can
you
we
go,
do it? Can we even do it without the class?
yeah, you can do it anytime. You don't need to do it in the class. In the class, we just have fun playing, as you can see. Then you also need to just go away, just do it, play with it.
Which one
Yeah.
you want? And
You
then
need to do you need to do all these 5 actually. They are easy things
But
to
you
do.
can start with anyone you
Yeah,
want.
start with anyone. I would say maybe start with number 1. They're all different games that allows you to learn about coding, right? They're fun games, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
So-
say you don't. I say you leave number 10 on functions of in Minecraft.
Which one is your favorite one?
Um,
Mine is number 3.
thank you.
This one 3. Okay, all right. So yeah, so that's what you need to do. Okay. So okay. Thank you. So, okay. So I would. Can you mute yourself?
Oh, let's do it.
Okay. Now I'm going to call Ayomiko. The class is already ended. You just questioned. Okay. Ayomiko, I'm going to unmute you and lower your hand. Okay. You are live. Do you have any question, Ayomiko? Ayomiko, do you have any question? Okay, all right, cool. So the next person, Condoleezza, any question? So I'm going to unmute you. Okay.
Excuse me. Are you allowed to do lesson 6?
Sorry?
Are you allowed to do lesson 6?
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. All right. Yeah, you're allowed to. Okay. There will be lesson 7 also. Maybe by tomorrow you will see lesson 7.
And also, when we're doing the coding, can we like unmute ourselves like to ask for help by ourselves, or do you have to wait?
No, you just raise your hand. So if you raise your hand, I'm going to unmute you, then you can ask question. Does that make sense to you?
Yes, thank
Yeah,
you.
and you know how to raise your hand in Zoom, do you?
Yes.
Cool, yeah. Just raise your hand, then yeah, I will meet you, because if I don't do that, a lot of children are going to be talking at the same time. So then we won't be able to hear ourselves, basically. So it's good to meet people. Okay, all right, Jamie, I'm going to unmute you. So I'm not going to take any more raising hands, okay? So I only did 4 or 5, that's fine. Demi, your question?
Hello?
Hello, Demi, yeah.
Yeah, is this for teens as well?
Oh, okay. Unfortunately, this is not for teens, right? We are actually starting another one for teen on Saturday, but
Okay.
this is not yet open to the public.
Okay.
It's still in the church. We normally do this in the church first, and we see how it goes actually. And if it's successful, then we'll put it to the public. So we've been doing the children on coding for children even in the church before. So we now thought, okay, the children in the church are benefiting from it. Let's make it open. And with the isolation, so it makes it Good. But let's see. Well, I'm starting the teens one, restarting, I would say, because we already have some sessions on Saturday. If I get a good feedback from them, yeah, I will send the invite out to everyone.
Yeah, my dad sent me the link thinking that was for teens as well.
Okay, yeah, there will be teens. So if your dad has got the link, when we start, oh, it's Demi, isn't it? Okay, I know you. So don't worry, we'll start the teens. Yeah. So the teens is on Saturday. Yeah, I'm gonna send that out. So yeah. So you should be able to get the one for Saturday since you are also attending the church. But after we started with you and it's cool, and you guys said, yeah, cool, then we open it to the public. All right, cool.
Okay.
So yeah, Kemi Akibo, have your meeting.
Excuse me, sir, but
Okay.
collective David for lesson 5 8.
Okay,
I
all right.
do 5-8 because that is really tricky. So let's stay with David and learn how to do it. Because I can't figure out where to put it. Let's do.
Okay, no problem. So just wait around, okay? I'm going to unmute you back. So you got in for the next 5 minutes, okay? I'm going to unmute you so that, okay? I'm going to, okay, all right, cool. So we have Ade. Ade, you're live. Have you got any question?
Oh yeah, I have a question.
Okay.
What if you think you finished everything? What should you do then?
Oh, if you finish everything, that will be lesson 7. I always put new lessons every week, actually, for you to try. So these are the previous ones. So once you finish everything, you can redo them. There are fun games to play with, actually, but there will be a new game every week for you to play with. As you can see, there will be game on data, there will be game on for loop, there will be game about internet, there will be sprite, digital. So we go through this actually. So yeah, there'll be fun things for you to do. Okay? All right. Okay, Gabby. Do you?
Question.
Okay, go ahead, Gabby.
My question was there any other classes except from this one?
Is there any other class? You said?
Yeah.
No, there's no other. Okay, yeah, there is Thursday class and Sunday class. There's no other class except from that. So, okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to go to Victor. One minute, I'm finding it difficult to unmute you, Victor. Okay, I think. Okay. Fola?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, have you got any question?
Yes, we didn't get to finish drawing loop 7.
Okay, I think that's a tricky one. So you guys were trying to do. We'd try to see it. Maybe David would put you through. So.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right. Cool. I think that will be so. The next 5 to 10 minutes, I'm going to ask David. Is Tioluani there? Tiolu. Okay. What's your question? So I think you said you need help. I think 2 people need your help, David.
Yeah.
So do you want to unmute Tiolu?
Yeah, my question was number 7 on drawing with leaves.
Okay. So let's start doing it. Okay, so it looks like we're supposed to draw all around this hexagon. And it says the long side is 150 pixels. But first, I think we need to put the repeat block. Then we can do it 6 times. And we could do. And then we can turn right. But let's see. 45, yeah. We can turn right 45 degrees. Then right now we'll be there. But okay, so now we can just move forward by 75. Let's see what happens. And it looks like we need another turn right 45 degrees. And let's just see what happens. Okay.
And when I did it, I completed the shape, but they still didn't think that I did it. So I think you're supposed to trace the words too.
Okay.
So that's not the answer.
I think this is a time where you have to not use the repeat.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Look at the question at the top, right? The challenge. It's good to read that first. What are you trying to ask?
So you can do all of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we really need to do is do the outline of everything. And it said the long sides are 150 pixels. Then we'll move right here. And then we'll turn right and move 45 degrees. Then we'll be right here. And it said the short sides are 75 pixels. So we can move forward by 75 pixels.
Can you try that first?
Okay. Okay.
See,
No, it's just because it's a repeat. That's why it's
you put
keeping
the
going.
repeat out first. Okay.
Okay. Then you need to move 90, then right 90 degrees. Okay. And then let's see where we'll be.
The class has ended, so if you want to go, you can go. This is just show and tell to some people.
So I think you have to do this. And then you'll be right here. So you can do, that's 1. So I think you need to do all of this 2 times. Oh.
No, don't put it in loop yet, okay? Don't put it in loop yet, okay? Yeah. Do that, and then you cross, okay?
Okay, so
run that one. What did you get?
Now we need to turn right by 45 degrees again. And let's see where we'll be. Okay. And then we have to move forward by 150 pixels. Then we'll be about here. Then we'll turn right again. 45 degrees. Wait, let's see. Okay, so we'll be here, and we can move forward by 75 degrees. And that takes us to be here. We have the 90 degrees, then we have to move forward again, 75, and that's it. And it goes like...
Can you run it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now, if you try again, look at the sequence. Is there any sequence repeating itself? That's how to do this, okay?
Looks like it's move forward 150, turn right 45, move forward 75, and turn right 90.
Okay.
I think it goes up to about here.
Okay.
Just going to... And we need to see it would be here. Then be here. Yeah, let's see.
So,
oh yeah, the unused code.
hold on. Before you draw that, do you think that is the sequence, right? 150. The next one is 45. The next one is 75. The next one is 90. The next one is 75. What about that one? What happened to that one?
Yeah, I don't think we need this one.
Okay, you need to put the repeat. So
I think it's about 2 times.
okay.
No. So let's see. I think we needed that, and we could have turned to right.
No, because the sequence that you did was okay. So it's the looping that you need to look into. You don't need to change it.
Okay.
If you do the sequence again without the loop, okay? Only one time. Okay, remove the loop, okay? Put the sequence again. I know it's a challenging one, okay? Put the sequence. That's how to do the loop, actually. You first need to do the sequence first, okay? So
if you put all of this there. So you'll be there. Then it is actually, then...
You repeat that again. No, hold on. Don't put the repeat, okay? Do another sequence of that and see what happens.
Okay.
So the next one, 90 and 150, right? Is that the next one that you need? Run it.
I don't think so, because it will go...
Yeah, that's why. So it's not that one then. Okay, so what's the next one? You need to
turn right by
45
45 degrees.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I think this is it. Then it will be like here.
Okay, then you do that. That's it.
Okay, after this, Fola has a question. Oh, yeah. I don't think this is going to work. Oh yeah. So Fola has a question. We've unmuted you.
Okay. There was a time as you were coding, you put turn right by 90 degrees, and I don't know if it's doing anything there. I think that was what was causing the code to run out somehow.
Okay. Let's see what happened.
It's fine now, isn't it?
Yeah, because
So,
it turns
okay.
90 degrees here and 90 degrees there.
Oh, okay.
All
So
right.
I think we're ready to.
Yeah, I think someone asked another question, wasn't it? But I think maybe that's it anyway. No more question, right?
Yeah, it's full if you ask the question.
Okay, all right. Okay. Okay, all right. I think that's it then. So, all right, guys. See you on Thursday. Right. Enjoy your week ahead. All right. Hold on quickly. Okay. I'm going to lower your hand, Kemi, if you quickly.
Excuse me, sir. You forgot me. You forgot about my problem. About the.
Okay. What's the problem? What's the problem, Kemi?
So, excuse me, sir. You forgot about my lesson 5, chapter 8 problem.
Okay.
He wanted to go outside, and then Desi blocked him. Oh, and I wasn't speaking to you, so I'm speaking to my mom. Sorry.
Okay, all right. So you said what chapter is it? What?
5.
5? What number?
8.
8, okay.
8 practice.
Okay, so David, do you want to be the driver? Let her be the navigator. Then you see where she missed it, okay?
So what do you think I should do?
I mean, what do you think they should do? What's the next thing?
Well, for starters, I had some code. That will get me to the last boy's coniferous flower. But then it turned around the wrong way, and it ended up facing the wall, and then it bumped into the wall.
Okay. Did you use a repeat?
Yes, I used a nested loop. Repeat 3 times.
Okay. So
repeat 3 times. Repeat 3 times.
And you need to turn right. I mean left.
Hold on. Let us see what she did, so then we can correct it, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Do you want to say what you did, okay?
So first, I put a nested loop, and that was 3 by 3.
3 by 3, okay.
And then I put move forward inside the first loop.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
And then turn left inside the second loop.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's fine.
Okay, let's see. Okay, go step.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh wait, now I remember. There were 3 loops in one. And it got me to the last carnivorous flower. And then it turned around the wrong way. I bumped into the wall.
Okay.
So that's
I mean, I think you should turn left. Then maybe you could turn right.
That's the last repeat you can use.
Yeah, you can use more, you know.
Oh look.
It won't allow you to pass it then.
Maybe you're supposed to wait.
Step into it, okay? Don't run it. Step into it. That's how to debug it, okay? Let's see. You need to be looking at the code there, okay? At the yellow code. See?
Okay.
Yes, go now. What is it trying to do? Step into it again. So it turned left. Instead of that, it should not turn left. It should turn
right. But when you're doing that, it will also kind of turn.
So maybe the inside shouldn't be more than 2. Maybe the repeat shouldn't be that.
Wait, sir, I already tried that.
The repeat should not be. You need to remove repeats. Reduce the number of repeats.
It's condition.
No, the one outside, inside, the inside one. Yeah.
To what?
2. put it on 2.
No, or if you do that, it'll only get to here.
Oh, okay, that's fine. So then the one outside then needs to be reduced.
Okay.
Right. And you use another loop inside
Yeah,
that.
you can use another.
Wait, remember, you have to go like 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's going to be 4.
Let's.
Okay, let's see what happens. Yeah, so the same thing happened.
Always step into. Don't reset it and step into. Okay. Okay. All right. No worries.
So if it's going to go over.
Yeah.
Maybe you can put this.
So I'm just learning how to. No. Oh, right.
Let's try this. Okay.
You need to reduce the number of that one.
So that means you need to do all of this 2 times.
See? So it actually went down instead of going up, move forward, right?
So maybe you should reduce. Oh, you can't reduce that one either.
Okay, all right. So maybe you don't need this inline loop, but you need this one. And you put another loop outside, like that.
Then what goes inside? Okay.
That doesn't look like.
So you need to move down 3.
Move forward.
Maybe it's because of this one. It needs to be 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. I think that's it. That's how to debug the code. So it might not work at one go. So as you can see, but I think you get there at the end. You just need to do it step by step. Okay.
Okay, so we'll see everybody on Thursday. Thank you for coming.
Bye.
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 Thank you for coming.
And see you on Thursday.
So what am I doing in the class?
Whoa, whoa.
Bye.
Bye.